AI must move beyond research and investment to address real-world challenges. NAVER Cloud supports sovereign AI by building AI ecosystem tailored to each country, ensuring alignment with local socio-cultural norms and regulatory requirements. HyperClover X is NAVER's generative AI that understands the Korean language in a larger societal context. It is supported by Dell AI Factory solution of Dell PowerEdge X series servers with NVIDIA GPUs. NAVER Cloud enables AI-driven value creation through a comprehensive full-stack AI chain, spanning AI services and data, AI backbone systems, supercomputing infrastructure, cloud platforms, and data centers. These innovations help businesses and governments accelerate the adoption of sovereign AI. Their technologies empower NAVER Cloud to efficiently train AI models, strengthen AI and data sovereignty, and expand security global markets. Sovereign AI improves lives and addresses societal challenges by delivering secure AI solutions tailored to local languages. For example, NAVER Care Call is an AI-powered call service that provides emotional support and regular health check-in for elderly people living alone in Korea and Japan. It enhances their quality of life and represents a clear case of AI for good. Collaboration with Dell Technologies and NVIDIA enable NAVER Cloud to accelerate AI adoption and innovation. The potential ahead is truly exciting.